In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Teams notifications if Teams notifications are constantly popping up and interrupting your focus. This quick setting can make a big difference. The good news is that Microsoft Teams includes a simple option that lets you mute most notifications while still allowing important calls and meetings to come through. That way, you can reduce distractions without missing something time sensitive. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or app and make sure you're on the main Teams screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is where Teams keeps additional options and account-related settings. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can control how Teams behaves, including alerts, sounds, and activity-related preferences. If you've never adjusted these options before, this is the main place to customize your notification experience. Inside Settings, find and click Notifications and Activity. This section contains the controls for how and when Microsoft Teams notifies you. Depending on your version of Teams, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording should be very similar. You're looking for the notification management area where general alert behavior is controlled. Once you're in the Notifications and Activity section, look under the General section. This is where Teams places broad notification controls that affect the overall app experience. Take a moment to scan the available options so you're sure you're selecting the correct one. Now, find the setting labeled Mute All Notifications except for calls and meetings, and toggle that switch on. When this setting is enabled, Teams will stop sending most notification alerts, which is ideal if you want a quieter workspace. At the same time, calls and meeting notifications will still come through, helping you stay available for the most important real-time communications. After turning it on, the settings should apply right away, so you usually won't need to save anything manually. If you ever want to start receiving all notifications again, just return to the same Notifications and Activity area and switch that option back off. This is a great setting to use during deep work while recording or anytime you want fewer interruptions without going completely offline. And that's how to turn off Microsoft Teams notifications while still keeping calls and meetings active.